Hey guys, I'm Adam. Welcome to my video tutorial. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to create an image portrait like this one. So let's just create a new document here, file then new. We shall take default Photoshop size, can increase the resolution to 200. Then the background content, we can use a transparent background, can use units as centimeters, then click OK here. So I can start with the rectangle, scale it using the selection tool, then confirm this. So this will work as our background. We can as well add some gradient to it. We shall use radial gradient, then increase the scale to 100%, reverse. We shall use, I think, yellow and orange. Um, this should be radial. I think that's okay. Click OK here. Then this is the image we're going to use. Drag it and drop into our document. Resize this a little. Scale and put it in the center. Ta-da! Enter. So try to zoom in around there. Then we can create a new layer where we're going to brush. Just come down here, choose new layer. Layer 2 is where we're going to add our brushes. So go to the brush tool, then look for a brush. We shall use here. Let me see which one we can use. So I think we can use this one. Let me just use any of these. So if you don't have the brushes, don't worry. In my next video, I will show you how we can download those brushes and load them to Photoshop. So I can reduce the size of this brush and choose the size that will work for us here. Then I can just click around the edges of my portrait as I do the brushing, so to cover the face. And then selection tool. So this layer we can bring it below the image. And then we shall use the image to we right click in the image, create a clipping mask, and have something like this. So you can see that our image is masked into the brush layer I've just created. And then other features you can, cause brushes are so important in Photoshop as well. The eraser tool uses brushes. I can just choose eraser tool here. Then there is some brush I have here, which is this one. Can reduce the size a little. Try to brush on this layer for the brushes to give me this kind of effect here. Can somewhere zoom in and do something like this. Wow, so this is good. So you can as well do the brushing. You can come to this layer for the brushes. I can rename it. You just double click here, there, brush, then enter. So I can use another brush and try to brush around, add some designs. Can reduce the size for this. Can try to brush around, add some more effects here and there, and have our image like just this one. So the only thing you need to do is just use different brushes to create different effects in your image. So I could use another brush like this one, then try to brush around, increase the size, reduce, and have such features. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.